Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Gems Booster, where I bring new and amazing crypto project for all of you in which you can invest and get great profit. So today in this video I have a great platform for all of you. We will discuss each and everything about the project so you can easily understand the project in investing. But before we begin, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel Gems Booster if you haven't subscribed, and press the notifications bell. Okay, so this is a platform Shiba Bitcoin. This is a brand new platform. Looks to me it is a massive potential platform. This is created just 1 month ago, but a peak thing is that you have to check this, which is ShibBT. This is an old platform, so you should carefully check that these are the two different platforms. This is ShibBTC coin and the new one is Shiba BTC coin. So you can choose the Ars coin, which is 1 month ago, which is the brand new. You can check the price, each and everything about the project, like market cap, etc. of the project. And this is the old one, which is SIP BTC. So it is not verified by CoinMarketCap, so you should carefully check that this is a system mistake by the same name, but it's a different potential project. So you can carefully check this. And then here we have the SHIB Bitcoin. We can check the market value of the project, which is $7.77 billion, and they have liquidity. Each and everything is mentioned here. The total supply is mentioned here, which is more than 1 billion SBBTC, and the max supply, which is also mentioned here. So you should check that. This is showing steady growth with price of 87.5 worth of dollar. The market cap of the project is 7.55 billion worth of dollar, and 24-hour volume up with 16% of $1.55 with a max of supply 1 billion token. So you can see here that this is a brand new platform which is created just a month ago. So you should definitely join to this. If this project is letting you to earn, so you should definitely get into this. So this is a platform that is already trending on, so you should definitely get into this. So this is already listed on VKEX and UZX exchange. Later we will discuss on it. So this is already listed on VKEX, so you can check this. And here we are to the website of the project. Join the most secure, simple and solution for everyday payment. Shiba Bitcoin makes digital payment simple, secure and ready for everyday use. From shopping and gaming to NFTs and global transfers, Shiba Bitcoin enables to seamless transaction across both digital and real world economics. So you can see here that Shiba Bitcoin enables seamless transaction across the digital and real world economies. So you can buy the Shiba Bitcoin right now. And then here we have some of their details about the project, that SHIB Bitcoin has making many online payments so much easier. So you can see some of the customers has already posted their comments about the SHIB Bitcoin. So Shiba Bitcoin has already a worth of dollar, which is 7.7. So you should definitely get into this, that some of the customers has already posted their comments about the project and they're totally satisfied with their platform. So you can join the Shiba Bitcoin community. You can connect with a global network of Shiba Bitcoin users. You can stay informed with play updates, learn from others and be part of the growing community. So that's defining to digital payments. And then here we have the United States, Germany, France, each and everything. Join the community right now and then you will be able to participate in it. Global compatibility for all your needs. Shiba Bitcoin is designed to meet the demands for the connected world, offering compatibility across the both physical and digital ecosystems. With Shiba Bitcoin, you can shop, game, invest in NFTs and send money internationally, all with a single secure currency. Whether you everything purchasing or exploring digital assets, Shiba Bitcoin is built to integrate seamlessly where you go. You can get simple, secure and scalable. So what the service is offering is mentioned here. The Shiba Bitcoin provides fast, low cost transactions that is seamlessly into daily life, whether you are shopping online, making a global transfer or exploring digital assets. And it's a flexible digital ownership. With Shiba Bitcoin, you can easily own, trade and transfer digital assets across the platform. It's designed to bring you the future of finance by supporting the owners in NFTs and game experience access to the metaverse application. You can integrate with the JetNext app, seamless compatibility for every payment. So these are the services they offer. You can get effortless payments with Shiba Bitcoin on JetNext app, whether shopping online, dining out or making in-game purchase. JetNext enables you to use Shiba Bitcoin instantly that a wide range of merchants. You can check the video as well. Shiba Bitcoin token. Shiba Bitcoin token fuels that Shiba Bitcoin ecosystem, enabling secure and seamless payments for goods, service, NFTs, AI gaming, and more across digital and real world uses. You can learn more about Shiba Bitcoin from here. And then we have the social channels. You should definitely join to their social channels as well. You should definitely join to their Telegram, Twitter. If you have any type of question, you can ask to their team by joining the Telegram group. You can simply follow them on Twitter to be able to understand the recent tweets, recent about the project. You can also follow them on Facebook as well. So it's better to join their social channels. That should definitely let you to purchase the SHIB Bitcoin. And let's come to the white paper of the project. You can check that this is executive summary of the project. You can check that SHIB Bitcoin is a BIP20 token built on the Binance Smart Chain, designed as a secure, accessible and highly efficient cryptocurrency payment solution, bridging traditional and digital ecosystem, built to meet the demands of both everyday transaction and advanced digital applications. The mission of Shiba Bitcoin's mission is to enable a seamless, secure payment experience that integrates cryptocurrency into the core of everyday life by building a flexible currency that adopts the both traditional and emerging digital spaces. The vision is to make Shiba Bitcoin is a universally recognized and trusted cryptocurrency that bridges the digital ecosystem with the physical supporting payments across the wide spectrum from household utilities to virtual assets. Positioning is mentioned here. Shiba Bitcoin is as a payment solution. Shiba Bitcoin is designed to address the practical needs of users who seek a fast, affordable and accessible payment option that is convenient as traditional flat but offers the advantages of cryptocurrency. As a BIP20 token on the BCS network, Shiba Bitcoin combines to low transaction cost with lightning fast processing times as well. Problem to be solved: limited real-world utility of cryptocurrencies, high transaction fees and slow processing times in traditional payments, lack of privacy and security in digital payments, complexity and lack of accessibility in cryptocurrency payments. So you can see here that we have the barriers, fragmented and limited across platform, insufficient in trading, loyalty and reward programs. So we have the market opportunity, growing demand for cryptocurrency payments. They are increasing target audience and make market segmentation. We also have their competitive advantage of Shiba Bitcoin and their emerging trends, how to this. You can check the products, which is Jade and their next role in expanding Shiba Bitcoin. So each and everything is mentioned here. You can go through the white paper as well to understand the project. So you should definitely get into this. So Shiba Bitcoin tokenomics is mentioned here, that its symbol is mentioned here, token symbol is SBBTC, their total supply, utility, everything is mentioned on the website, so you can go through this. So in this way you will get each and everything about the project Shiba Bitcoin. So let me remind you once again that it's a different from the old one, which is SHIB BTC. So you should definitely get to the new one, which is a brand new, and it's created in just a month ago. So you should definitely get into the new one. So you should definitely get into this. Okay, so you can see here that it is already listed on VKEX. The price is very high on VKEX. So this is a page of their VKEX. You should definitely get this, that this is listed on VKEX as well. By purchasing Shiba Bitcoin, you can make digital payments simple, secure and ready for every use. So this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access the project. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like more videos, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.